Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Revolut Crypto. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows users to buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To get started, you need to download the Revolut app and create an account. Once you have an account, navigate to the Crypto section by tapping on the More tab and then selecting Crypto. Before you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies, you need to verify your identity. This is a mandatory step to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. To verify your identity, go to the Profile section, tap on Verification, and follow the instructions. You will need to provide a valid government-issued ID and a selfie. Once your identity is verified, you can start buying cryptocurrencies. To do this, go to the Crypto section, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and tap on the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to spend, and confirm the transaction. You can pay using your debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Revolut also allows you to set up a recurring buy, which enables you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. This is a great way to dollar-cost average your investments and reduce the impact of market volatility. To set up a recurring buy, go to the Crypto section, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and tap on the Recurring Buy button. When it comes to selling cryptocurrencies, the process is similar to buying. Go to the Crypto section, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, and tap on the Sell button. Enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm the transaction. The proceeds will be credited to your Revolut account, and you can withdraw them to your bank account or use them to buy other cryptocurrencies. It is essential to note that buying and selling cryptocurrencies involves risks, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Revolut provides a range of tools and features to help you manage your risk, including stop-loss orders and price alerts. A stop-loss order allows you to automatically sell a cryptocurrency when it falls to a certain price, while a price alert notifies you when a cryptocurrency reaches a specific price. In conclusion, using Revolut Crypto is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrencies and the app itself. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start buying, selling, and holding cryptocurrencies with ease. Always remember to manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.